Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show that how you can create products and categories in WooCommerce. As you know, I've already installed WooCommerce, so if you have not followed the last video then I recommend you to follow the last video if you have not already installed WooCommerce. If you have already installed WooCommerce, then we can continue from here. So let's create first the categories. By default, there is already one category called uncategorized, so just I'm renaming it, say garments. And here also will be garment. This is URL. And finally, update. You can upload image also of that category. Back to categories. Then create men's. This will be inside. Uh, this will be inside garments. It's already added there. Now women. Slug will be automatically taken. Okay, so we have created two categories. Now, inside those categories, we will add few products. Create product, say blue jeans. Then blue jeans. And finally, this will go inside men's. And now we will upload any product. The download. Simply, I'm just downloading here jeans. Now, let's go to product image and then desktop jeans. And then price. There are two prices, regular price and sale price. Regular price and then sale price say 99. The sale price will always be less as compared to regular price. And also you can give same or you can simply skip. And now publish. Now let's another product. Sari. There will be description of sari. You can write the description there. And then women's. Finally Let's take any dummy image. Indian wedding sari. That's fine. Now upload. And finally it's uploaded. Again, here will be price, say 2000 and then 1900. Now let's click on publish. So this way we have created two categories, and also in each category we have added one product. Now let's see that how does it look like. In the home page it will not appear. Okay, just write shop in the URL and you can see somehow sorry image is not showing. Oh, it is uploaded in product gallery rather. That's why. Product gallery is for if you have more than one images, 3 to 4 images or multiple images. In that case, you can use product gallery. And then you can see there are two products. So it's written here sale because the actual price is 100 and we are selling this at the price of 99. That's why it's crossed and it's showing 99. Add to cart. Suppose you want to display the products in the home page, okay, because currently it's not showing in the home page. If you want to display in the home page, then go to settings and reading, and then stop, make it as a static page and save changes. Finally click here. You can see now it's displaying in the home page. Now if you click on add to cart, then view cart, show here, then proceed to checkout. You fill the form and then continue payment, and that's it, it's done. So as you can see, adding the product in WooCommerce and adding the categories is really very easy. So hope you like this video. In the next video I will show you in part 2 more configuration about WooCommerce. Bye bye, see you in the next video.